Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the CompX number DL-300 double door latch. This is the black version. It's also available in white, and I have one opened up here on my desk, and we're going to go over it. So this double door latch is comprised of three components. You've got your latch body, and it can be installed either this way or this way, it doesn't matter, meaning either on the bottom of the cabinet or up at the top. Comes back the same way. All the parts literally just get turned over. In a setting where you're going to have an application like from your perspective, viewing the video, you've got the lock body, spring-loaded latch that's there. You've got one activator. This is called the activator. One's called an activator, one's called a catch. This is the catch. The activator goes on the door with the lock. So what happens is the activator gets mounted to the door, and then the, forgive me here now, let's see. Yeah, it goes like this, the door is closed, and when the door is closed, it pushes the latch out. Okay. When the latch projects out, it's obviously going to get caught on the catch. So when the activator applied to the primary door, the door with the lock, gets pushed closed, it will force this out, securing the other door. Now the application for this is, well, quite frankly, it's not very easily portrayed on the included installation instructions. At least, I mean, it's obvious, it's there, it's straightforward. But the truth of the matter is that it does look a little bit confusing, I suppose, when you look at it. You've got the left side of the page showing it mounted at the header, and then the opposite side showing it mounted at the bottom of the cabinet. What is very handy, of course, is the link to the video that's below this video on the extended description, and that is a CompX original video showing the graphical operation of the door. So you've got the lock body installed, you've got the activator on the active door, and that will push this out, and it will retain the other door. What happens is you install the CompX lock cylinder and the lock body onto the active door. So when both doors are closed, the activator is pushing the latch into the catch of the other non-primary door, the door without the lock. That door can't open. On the active door, when you take the key and turn it and lock that door can't open because it's latched, or bolted, I should say, onto the inactive door. Because the inactive door can't open, neither can the active door. So you are able to very easily unlock it and then open your active door and then your inactive door. You can close either door at the same time, meaning you can close the inactive door, because what happens is if you were to have this retained, or the active door would be closed and then you close the inactive door, that part of the latch is also spring-loaded. So they are spring-loaded independently. So it's a very elegant way to lock two doors when using only one keyed lock. That's what this is actually for. If I've not already said it, it's available in white as well as black. Screws are not included, so keep that in mind. Let me give you some important dimensional properties. The sill or the head locking bolt, the width of the housing itself is about 1 3/4 inches. Projection of the bolt, about 1/2 inch. The depth of the housing, about 1 1/8 inches, and the thickness of the locking housing is about 9/16. The activator width, 1 1/4 inches. Projection, about 7/8. Thickness, about 5/8. The overall width of the catch, and the catch again is for the inactive door, 1 9/16. Projection, about 1 1/16. Thickness, about 5/8 of an inch. The installation instructions, which are included, again, are available below this video in a document called cut sheet is what it's called. That's the most published information that we have. The, again, black and white allows 2 or 3 point locking for standard or wardrobe double door cabinets. If you have unusually tall doors, 4 foot or so, you might want to consider locks in 2 locations, top and bottom. Secures door with deadbolt or cam lock. Either door can be closed at any time, and that's because of that feature of how both are spring loaded. Eliminates the need for an elbow catch and has a pull force of over 1,500 pounds. You're going to get a latch, an activator, and a catch, and the installation instructions. That's everything. Now, the elbow catch is a pair of doors where you open the primary door, then you reach inside and release the elbow catch to open the other door. And that certainly works, and that's incredibly common. But quite frankly, this is a bit more elegant. It allows you to, well, maybe have a little bit more freedom over the control of both of the doors. And once it's installed, it's something that you really don't have to think about very much whatsoever. Nothing manual has to occur, like reaching in to unlatch an elbow catch. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up all the CompX items that we sell, but there's also a link to the product catalog for CompX and for the Timberline catalog as well. Those are incredibly resourceful documents because it is the comprehensive offering of all of their material. The point being is that commonly CompX locks, it's a system. You'll need a cylinder, a lock body, maybe a strike, maybe a catch, maybe other items depending on the application. Those catalogs allow you to see in a graphical sort of presentation all of the constituent parts to build such a lock. If you have any questions on the CompX DL300 double door lock or any other CompX product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.